What's going on YouTube? Today I'm doing a review on my first ever AK purchase, and as a review I'm just going over some things that basically first impressions. A couple things that I noticed right out the box was the wood grain furniture, red Serbian, is very, very nice. No nicks in it, very smooth to the touch. Magazine that I got was all steel with the last round bolt open follower. So that was nice. It was covered in grease, so that was unfortunate, but you're gonna get that with almost any gun that you buy and have it mailed to your FFL. The grip that it came with, I thought it was wood, but it's actually a Tango down grip. So that's actually really, really nice feeling. So I kind of like that. I might switch it to a Magpul one. I don't know. I'm very used to Magpul grips, but from the look of it and the feel of it, I might actually just keep this stock as it is. Now, for the rail, I went with the Zastava AK rail. Obviously, side mounting. A little bit of a pain because it's my first AK, so I didn't really know how quite to mount it. But after trial and error, I did figure out how to mount it, and I have it locked in there. I did know that I did have to remove this, which is a downside. So if you're not really mechanically inclined, you're not going to be able to mount this. And by mechanically inclined, I mean if you do not know how to remove a small little bolt on the back here, then I have no words. Cool thing that I did like about it was when I ordered it online, it did have a little hole down here for the QD mount, but I thought the QD was going to be down here, but instead it is up here, and it is QD, as you can see from my sling point right there. So that's really, really nice. Saves me from having to run it with some 550 cord around it and then strapping this to the 550 cord. So I do like how it did come with actual QD mounts on both sides. AK rail. Now to mount this, I already said you have to remove the stock and then you slide it, and then this, you slide it on there like this, and then when you feel it sit in there, slam it down. You won't have any movement. Under there, there's a little mark, so if you need it tighter, so if you put it on there and it's loose, just turn that circle counterclockwise from my point of view, and it'll tighten up the tension. The red dot I went with was just a crossfire red dot. I'm 6 foot, about 200 pounds, and this is actually fairly short. I can easily put this in a giant coat if I was wearing one. But other than that, I like the look of it. I might switch out these for an M-lock lower rail and maybe a cheese grater top rail. But other than that, I think it looks beautiful as it sits. Very classic, very to the point, ready to get down and dirty. Flip it around for you get the view of the other side. Metal AK mag. Can I do this one hand? Yeah. It does have last round bolt open, but safety is kind of stiff though. I will say this though. Oh yeah, I did get it locked. Okay, so the safety is kind of stiff though. Let me pop this AK mag out. Safety is pretty stiff. I just guess you got to work it. But other than that, it's a great gun. I can't wait to get out there and shoot it. So if you have any comments, questions, concerns, feel free to hit me up. Pup says hi. Have a good day, guys, or gals.